Hi, we're here on MSC World America, and I'm going to give you a cabin walkthrough of 14069, which is an infinite ocean view Aurea. It's about 215 square feet. Let's take a look inside. So as we first come in here, on the left-hand side, you've got your bathroom. Now the bathroom's a little bit differently designed than the typical bathroom on the ships, a little bit bigger, different color and decor. You have your vacuum flush toilet paper, a little bit of a larger shower, an adjustable shower wand, your shampoo and shower gel. You do have a little bench to the left, which is convenient if you have mobility issues or you just like to take a long shower and have a seat while you're doing it. You do have a full-length mirror. You do have some storage shelves here and some storage below. Single basin sink. They don't have a soap dispenser, so they have it in a bottle, which is kind of interesting. But you do get a little more counter space than you do in the typical bathroom on the ship. That's where your waste paper basket is located. Color scheme's a little bit different. It's sort of green, more of a green accent than the other rooms, which are more brown, taupish. Over here on the right, you do have your control panel. It has a little bit more going on here than the typical room here, so you can control the climate control, it looks like. You can turn on the lights, tell the cabin steward if you want the room made up or not. Key card for everything to work, and your light switches. Over here on the right, you have a desk, and here I am in the mirror. You have a light up magnifying mirror and a couple of power plugs. These are European style. And here you have a desk drawer with a hairdryer. So I don't know, if you needed to plug in something that's a US style plug, you probably want to bring an adapter. Now noticeably here you get bathrobes in the closet. You do have a little bit more closet space. You do have slippers, which is something that's unique for this kind of room. And then on this side, you can see you have storage drawers, a safe, similar to the other rooms, just a sort of a different color wood tone. Here you have your queen size bed. It's two beds pushed together, can be split up if you want. Nice padded headboard. And you do have on either side a reading light, a bedside light, and a USB-C to charge things, as well as a master light switch. So coming over here on this side, you have sort of this bookshelf, room separator, which you can use for storage, and it does sort of split up the room between the bed area and the sofa area. I believe the sofa does convert into a double bed, so you can include more than two people. I think you can have 4 people in this cabin. So that's on the right, and on the left you have your flat panel TV. You do have your shelving here. You do have a mini bar, which I think is probably locked. And there's some of the pricing you can see here. You have a special breakfast menu. Does not have a delivery charge because you're staying in an Aurea suite. And then down here you've got some storage shelves. You do have an ottoman which comes out, and you can use that for seating. And then again, some extra storage and some US power plugs, as well as some European power plugs and USB. So the cool thing about this is called an infinite veranda. So instead of having true outdoor space, you have this sliding window, which I will show you how it works. You just click the button and it slides up and will close things off. Or if you want fresh air and outdoor, feeling like you're outdoor, you can keep it lowered. But this is called an infinite veranda. This is a first time I think that they're doing this on MSC. Other cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Celebrity offer an infinite veranda, but I don't think they have done that before on MSC. So it's kind of a unique thing. The one downside to it is that when it's open, the whole room sort of acclimates to the outside temperature. So if it's hot and humid, the whole room will get a little more hot and humid. So that's something to think about when you're booking this room. So I'll give you one last glance at the cabin. Again, this is an Aurea infinite veranda. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the thumbs up, put any questions you have in the comment field. And thank you so much for watching, and bon voyage.